making utensils of increased size no longer look like toys. The perfect combination of 304 stainless steel handle and silicone not only prevents the transfer of heat but is fully compatible with dishwasher safety. Nanotechnology makes the silicone head and stainless steel connection more stable, no longer fall off. The large kitchen utensils holder makes it easy to store all the kitchen utensil set. Whenever you tell us the challenges you face through Amazon buyer page, we will continue to listen carefully. We value you and your open and honest questions, which can help us focus on your most urgent needs. Your question will generally respond quickly within 12 hours. We designed the Artisan Collection for chefs who are dedicated to putting masterpieces on the plate. This pair of versatile saucepans features riveted stainless steel handles to give you total control in the kitchen. Designed for effortless performance and cleanup, this collection features our toxin-free Thermalon non-stick coating. It's also reinforced with diamonds for incredible durability. Greenlife's healthy ceramic non-stick is not stuck in the past. That's why our ceramic non-stick starts with sand and creates 60% fewer CO2 emissions during the curing phase than traditional coatings. Plus, the clear glass lids give you an easy view of all the action. This leaf-designed herb stripper, it is easy to carry and store. It can be used to clean and cut the leaves of many greens. The edge design is sharp enough to cut greens, delicate enough to not hurt you. It can also be used as a dough cutter, pastry cutter and dough scraper. Produced from BPA-free food-grade plastic. It can be washed in the dishwasher at any degree. It will not deform. You can easily clean this herb stripper tool by rinsing it by hand. It is designed to be stain-resistant and easy to clean. This leaf-shaped herb stripping tool works well with woody herbs like oregano, rosemary, thyme, tarragon and is perfect for making kale chips and other healthy snacks. Great product for easily prepping and processing a variety of leafy greens. You can quickly prepare your greens and herbs for your herb saver. It is 100% safe compared to other stainless steel herb stripping tool. No risk of cutting your hand or finger. Curved edge design can't hurt you no matter how much pressure you apply. The plastic edge knife is quite safe. It needs a metal microwave oven top that can be magnetized and completely flat on top inside of microwave to be able to use its paste function. Please use a magnet to check the top of your microwave. It can also withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Food-grade PP material, passed the Bureau Veritas safety test. Since the sale in 2017, we have continuously optimized our products based on customer feedback. Thanks again for the customer's advice. Keep in mind, can't be used for longer than 10 minutes at a time. Can't be used when the oven is in grill or convection mode. Do not stick it on top of the microwave when the microwave oven is working.
Make it easy to live healthy. Turn delicious and nutritious juice from fruits and vegetables into your reward. Eat, drink, and live well with Omega Juicers. With the Omega 8006 Multi-Purpose Juicer, you can easily juice your favorite fruits and vegetables, preserving their natural flavors and nutrition. You can also squeeze juice from leafy greens, spinach, and even wheatgrass. Using the homogenizer, you can make fresh soy milk and almond milk, nut butters, fruit sorbets, all-natural baby food, fresh salsa, and extrude fresh pasta. Turn on the Omega 8006 system. Add your favorite fruits, vegetables, or leafy greens. The unique feature of the 8006 is the low-speed juicing, which enriches beneficial enzymes and nutrients normally lost in the average high-speed juicer. With 80 RPMs of slow juicing speed, the oxidation process is stalled, producing healthy juice with longer-lasting freshness. The Omega 8006 offers versatility with 6 nozzles for specific functions. Assemble the juicer in 5 easy steps. The 8006 cleans up quickly and reassembles in minutes. The Omega 8006 also comes with a 15-year warranty covering parts and performance. The Omega 8006 Nutrition System delivers the greatest versatility in a juice system. Eat, drink, and live well with Omega Juicers.
At Breville, we take juicing seriously. Creating fresh, homemade juices is a great way to get your daily dose of nutrition, natural energy boost, refuel after a workout, or supplement your diet. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus has a patented juicing system that extracts more nutrients into a glass than other juices or blended drinks. Let's see it in action. Make fresh, nutrient-packed juice a part of your everyday. The Juice Fountain Plus, brought to you by the Food Thinkers of Breville. Visit foodthinkers.com to find great recipes using the Juice Fountain Plus.
Introducing the TriBest Slow Star 2-in-1 Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer. Experience the taste and nutrition of nature's best with TriBest's best-in-class Slow Star Juicer. Start enjoying fresher, nutrient-rich juices today. With its low-speed pressing method of 47 RPM, the Slow Star efficiently juices all your favorites, from apples and carrots to celery and leafy greens. The Slow Star is a 2-in-1 machine. Just simply replace the top of the machine with the mincing attachment to mince a variety of ingredients for your favorite recipes, like sorbets, nut butters, pâtés, and sauces. Unlike other slow juicers, the Slow Star features Duo Blade. The Duo Blade auger creates a double cut for fewer jams, less pulp, and easily breaks down fibrous produce and leafy greens. Duo Blade's dual cutting edges do twice as much work as a traditional auger, and its 47 RPM low speed preserves more nutrients and produces juices with less foam and greater yield. The Slow Star's 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears creates the torque equal to that of a 9-horsepower motor. That's twice the force of similar slow juicers. Unlike traditional slow juicers, the 3-stage reduction gears reduce noise and vibration, while the low-speed 47 RPM motor ensures the juices retain their freshness and healthy enzymes. Experience fresher, better tasting, nutrient-rich juice today with the TriBest Slow Star 2-in-1 Slow Juicer.
Black & Decker, new ideas in kitchen science. Health and budget-conscious consumers, it's time for a fresh start with the Black & Decker Fruit and Vegetable Juice Extractor. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel blades and strainer provide durability and strength. 400 watts of power make juicing simple and easy. The 300 milliliter pitcher easily captures the fresh squeezed juice. Plus, the dual safety locking mechanism and non-skid feet ensure ease of use and peace of mind. The Black & Decker Fruit and Vegetable Juice Extractor lets your creativity commence in the kitchen. you.